This video is not a substitute for reading and following the information contained in the service manual. All service procedures should be performed by an appropriately trained and authorized service technician with the necessary certifications. Note, there is only one push-to-pop mechanism on the range and it is located on the right side. If the push-to-pop mechanism on BEKO ranges breaks, the drawer will not stay closed as seen here. To repair it, remove the two T10 torque screws securing the drawer to the rails and remove the drawer. Pry out the old mechanism. The old mechanism may break in the process of removing it. That's okay, you will not be reusing it, but be sure to clean up any broken pieces. Note, if you don't have a replacement mechanism, removing the broken one will allow the customer to close the drawer until you can come back and complete the repair. Pull out the rail and install the new mechanism as shown here, sliding it back into position and listening for the click when it locks in place. Ensure proper functionality before replacing the drawer.